Welcome back to this Microsoft Excel for Beginners tutorial series. In this section, we are going to look at creating simple charts in Microsoft Excel. If you are a student, lecturer, business executive, or anybody that just wants to visualize your data, this video is for you. Please watch till the end. My name is Pat from Primeverse Academy. Let's get started. So let me open this worksheet that we used to learn sorting. If you have not watched the previous lesson, please go back and watch it. The link is in the description box below. So the very first thing we are going to learn is inserting charts. We are going to start with column charts. Okay, looking at this data, we have names of countries and their population. Of course, you know, this is not the actual population. We are just using it for this demonstration. So to create a column chart, all we need to do is to highlight the range of cells that we are going to visualize. After the highlighting, I will then go to the Insert menu. From the Insert menu, I will click on Chart. Here is the chart group, but we are not just using any chart. We are using column charts. If you look at this, we'll have recommended charts. This button will give you charts that is appropriate for the selected. Okay, now we are looking for column charts. Here we'll have column charts. There are other charts here. Please continue to watch as we are going to get to them one after another. So I will click here. Once I click, I will decide the type of column charts I would like to create, whether it's going to be 2D column, 3D column, or 2D bar. Look at what 2D column will give to us. You can see the sample below. Whereas if we choose 3D column, this is what we are going to get. And we'll have 2D bar and 3D bar. So we are going to use this very first one, which is 2D column. So if I click on it now, we'll have our chart instantly. Okay, no magic, nothing. You can pause the video, rewind it, and take it again. It is not difficult. If you look at it now, you see that we have 600 here, and the country is United States. Of course, if you come to United States here, you see that it has the most population. Okay, so this chart is the true representation of this data. You can as well decide to change the chart design. From here, we'll have chart design. You can choose any design of your choice. Okay, so this is how to create charts in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let me delete it so that we'll create another type of chart. So for me to delete, I'll just click on it and press delete from the keyboard. The next type of chart we are going to create is bar chart. So I will also do the same thing, highlight, go to insert, and then choose pie chart. Once I click here, I'll also have the option to choose whether it will be do not 3D or 2D. Let me choose 2D, and voila, we'll have our chart. Okay, for this chart, you will notice that there is no percentage written here. You can decide to show the percentage. Of course, if you point your mouse pointer, it will show you the percentage. You understand? You can see it from there. But if you want to display the percentage, it is very simple to do. What do you have to do? While the chart is still selected, all you will need to do is to come to this place where we'll have quick layout. You click on it, then you choose the one you want. Okay, that will add the percentage for us. Let me choose this one. If I click it now, we'll now have the percentage for each of these charts. Is that not simple? The next lesson we are going to learn in this particular session is adding title, labels, and colors. Okay, so for this chart, you can see that we'll have population here, which is picked from this table. If you don't want, you can change it. Let's go to this place where we'll have add chart elements. If I click on it, then I will then click on chart title. I can decide to remove the title, place it above or at the center, however I want it. So I'll click on this above, then type what I want. So I can say population by country. Okay, this is my chart title. Apart from chart title, there are other things you can add. If you come to this place again, you can add legend. So maybe I want the legend to be at the right. I'll click it here and you will see list of countries with their color grading. These colors will help you to easily recognize these charts. Okay, that is if you don't want to print the names of these colors. Remember, you can remove them from this particular place. Let's assume I choose this, they will be out. Or if I choose this, we only have the percentage without names. Let me use this layout 6. Do not forget there are other type of charts you can create. Let me also highlight again. Go back to insert, and then from chart here, you can decide to use area chart. So this is what it will give to you, area chart. Okay, so this is area chart for us. And if you want to do the recommendation, if you want to use the one recommended by Microsoft Excel, once you come to this place, you just click on recommended charts. Microsoft Excel by itself suggests the most appropriate for you. You can see all the recommended charts for this particular selected data. So this is a kind of guide that will help you to choose the most appropriate charts for you. So assuming this is what I want, this one is ranked based on their population. So immediately you click OK, the chart will appear. Do not forget that you can decide to place the chart in entire new sheet. That is by copy. You right click and copy it, or you cut it as the case may be. Then go to new sheet. Maybe I have new sheet here. Then I will paste. By the same way, you can place it in your Word document. Maybe you are doing a presentation in your office, or maybe you are using PowerPoint. You want to use this chart to show something in your PowerPoint presentation. You can use this. Remember to subscribe to this channel because we are going to teach you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint as a beginner, complete beginner. We are using beginner-friendly tutorial method. I hope you understand. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Also remember to drop your comments in the comment section. You can as well share the video with your loved ones. You will find the link to the last series of this tutorial in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.